Have you ever wondered, how will high-end meetings be conducted in the future? Perhaps now, you can get the answer. An easy-to-use but highly powerful meeting device. Are you ready? When you are caught in a brainstorming session, scribbling on the whiteboard can help release your limitless creativity. When you touch the screen, it can sense your movement and wake up immediately. You will find you can now write fluidly and vividly. If you make a mistake, just wipe with the back of your hand. The screen will clear up without a trace of your mistake. Feel free to use the content any way you like. Zoom in or zoom out. Even drag it anywhere. Do all of this with the tip of the pen. Even if you are at a meeting room someplace else, using the shared whiteboard function, you can write simultaneously with real-time synchronized display, making meeting communication more efficient. When the brand new design you are working on takes shape, you can save this creative result on a USB flash drive or send to a designated email ID. Of course, with the QR code, you can easily share and access it by scanning the code. It is so simple to share your joys. In every meeting, PPT, Word, Excel, and other office software are indispensable. In the simplest of ways, open all kinds of office documents on the meeting board. Clearly present the best financial management plan to investors. With the smart pen in your hand, it is easy to operate even from a distance. Control the device, turn the page, use voice and other functions, make communication smoother and more efficient. Conveniently take notes on key meeting points. Everything is clear at a single glance. You can even take screenshots. Enjoy a smarter and more convenient interactive experience. With such powerful functions, it's time to make things simpler. A little screen mirror device, one-click sharing, 1-second screen sharing. Enjoy two-way interaction between the IFP and your PC. It doesn't matter whether you use Android, iPhone, iPad, or computer. Everything can easily connect with the device, enabling screen sharing. Even if you are on the other side of the world, you can easily experience face-to-face communication and highly efficient real-time information transmission. Make work easier and more convenient. Not only this, it cares for you and makes things better. When you meet business partners, it paves the way to success by sharing heartful readings. When you are faced with a dilemma, it makes every vote count. All this is just the beginning. There are many more exciting ways to explore. You will find that trainers use it, doctors use it, so do teachers and civil servants. It's not just corporate meeting rooms. It is there in executive offices, showrooms, and even your home. It is the faster and simpler Super IFP. Horion Super Interactive Flat Panel.